haven't had any problems in a while, so I went and bought some. Getting an Audi with over 70,000 miles is probably more expensive than a drug habit, and the internet shows countless examples of it, but I just could not pass up on this deal. So after totally ignoring Scotty Kilmore, I picked up the world's cheapest b8.5, and it's not that bad. Alright, one of you guys said that I should probably pop the hood on this car, start it up, and see if we have any death rattle. I think that's a good idea. There it is. Oh yeah, that was a big rattle. Behold, the new Fujifilm X-T4. Guys, I am so excited about this camera. You have no idea. This is, of course, replacing... Dude, look, I dropped this camera. You guys see this sensor on the right there? What the hell? All right, guys. Quick walk and talk. Gotta be in nature, man. And in case you're wondering what this is, I'm about to show you. Oh, but I don't get poison ivy, dude. You guys know I'm allergic, like hardcore allergic to poison ivy. I know a lot of you watching are from all around the world. In case you've never seen what a cornfield looks like, Indiana's cornfields. As the title you clicked on, we're going to get to it. So I picked this car. It was listed for 18.5. I got him down to 15. The day he met me at the bank, the AC decided to stop working, so I got it for 12.7. And it's got 15K in mods. Awesome deal. Now, I know the intro of this video, you're like, what would you expect buying a 10-year-old Audi with 90,000 miles?
What did you expect, that we cuddle?
Of course it's gonna break, but that's partially the reason I got it for this channel, to make content with. So please, keep coming back. Like, seriously. There's a lot to do in this video, guys, and I just want to kind of get through this first part really quick, telling you what's wrong with it. So my buddy that works at a shop in Fishers and Hash Imports, they are like the best when it comes to German cars, figured out why the fan kept coming on and off. It was the supercharger auxiliary coolant pump. So with the fan issue constantly going, so was the auxiliary cooling pump, which burnt it out. So it wasn't even working. But I haven't gotten on this car yet because I've been waiting to change the oil, because it's been sitting in there for a year, and dirty oil, especially direct injection, tends to have more fuel in the oil, and that breaks down the oil. So never go past 6 months on your oil changes, guys. Never. Even if it's only 1,000 miles, never go over 6 months. All right, so we got the auxiliary coolant pump replaced, the PWM wire, something was faulty with it. I think the whole entire cooling system on this S4 has been re-engineered. He divorced the cooling loop, so it's all on one loop, and now it's separate. That's what that little thing and that little reservoir, when you pop the hood, that is actually an overflow reservoir for the supercharger. It's on its own loop. You hit record and the bike pulls out. Moment of truth, see if the fan goes off. I'm gonna walk up to it. Yes. Guys, I'm so happy I got my car back. I have zero AC and it's 83 degrees out, so, oh no. Has this ever happened to you guys? Oh, I bet I know what that is. I bet he had one of those boosts or air intake gauges right there. I need to actually get one of those, so I'm cool with that being broke. Yeah, so dude, oh my gosh, okay. Dude, his door flew open. I bet that dude's heart's racing. Just to be safe, give it a shot. Thankfully, man, they figured it out. They got that wire fixed. Thing was like 455 bucks. It's genuine Audi part. And it was like $200 to have him go ahead and do it. That is not a hard install, but since it was already there, I was like, all right, dude, just go ahead and do it. No more fan issue, guys. No more fan issue. I'm so happy. You have no idea. Because I thought this was an electrical issue, something crazy going on. And I don't have a live data scan tool yet, but I do have a company who is sending me one that's actually pretty affordable, so I can't wait till that shows up. While it was there, he went ahead and I just like, dude, look over this car, top to bottom, really look into it. Let me know if anything's about to break or is broken or whatever, right? The AC, actually a subscriber down in the comment section, Ryan, he called it. So thanks for putting your input there. It is the blower motor. I'm gonna replace that myself. It's like an hour job. You just gotta take apart the glove box and the passenger side, like dashboard, drop it out. I got that from FCP Euro. So some of you guys have mentioned to me where to get parts, because Any part from FCP Euro is lifetime warranty, which is awesome. I ordered the blower motor, and then while we're in there, I got a cabin air filter, and you're gonna see why. You can do them by hand. You don't need a flathead. There was one here, one there, and one there. That should just pop down. Push on that part, and it pops down. Oh my. Check your cabin air filter, guys. Cheap, easy fix, OEM replacement, like 30 bucks. So boom, boom, AC is gonna be fixed. So when I went to go wash the car, I noticed there was water on the floorboard. Very dangerous with Audi, because that water running down, there's a bunch of electronics. I've already taken off the side. There's a fuse panel there. That could total a car, guys. Like, you do not want to mess around with that. I was looking around the windshield, and it is definitely not an OEM windshield. It's some brand on the passenger bottom side I've never heard of. What it looks like to me, we got an aftermarket windshield and they did not install it right, and it's not sealed properly. So I have a guy coming out next Tuesday to throw in a new windshield. Now, I don't plan on driving this car in the rain or snow ever. This is just like a YouTube car, like a have fun car. My #1 priority right now is to get any and everything that's clapped out replaced. We all saw the front bumper. It's a different shade white. Don't clown my bumper. That's why I haven't been posting a lot of content on Instagram lately, because I want to get that fixed or wrap the car. I want it to be a super clean B8.5. I got the oil change. I just changed the oil today with liquid moly, and that's a torque spit. Yeah. We're good. And I went wide open throttle. I was so excited. Misfire cylinder number 4. Driver's side front. So I'm like, oh, okay, you know, well, not a big deal. It's just a misfire. We can figure this out. Probably a plug, maybe a coil. What I did is everything and disconnected the negative battery, right? 1, 2, 3, yeah. 4 and 5. I'm gonna swap these 2 coils, but I have to. The pressure is released. Oh my gosh, guys, this setup makes me nervous. Shout out to the Audi engineers that make you move this just to get to that. Let me try to zoom in on this bitch. That's a Phillips. Dude, these have Phillips on them, and this one has a T20. This little makeshift thing here I made with the Phillips. So these are actually kind of hard to get out. I noticed I just got this real thick zip tie and kind of put it under there and used it as like a way to pull it up. So just a tip. I'm gonna leave these screws out for now because obviously I'm gonna have to come back. Let's go do a test drive. Went out and did a couple pulls. Now it all changed, because before I did that, it was just, I had 2 misfires back to back with the integrated engineering laptop, shows you all the codes and everything, right? But when I swapped the coil packs, that didn't go as planned. We ruled out cylinder number 4, and now I got a misfire in cylinder 4, 6, and 3. And cylinder 3 is a different bank. Dude, I got 4 codes at once on that last pull. I didn't hit record, guys. I'm trying to figure this out. I can't record everything. Audi, you're not gonna get me. I'm gonna make you my bitch. Actually, I'm just kidding. Now it's gonna break. Dude, so there's no oil on the floor, and valve cover gaskets look dry. So thank God. Look at all these supercharger intercoolers I have. I got boxes of them, dude. This guy that owned this car used to port blowers, so he said this one has the special sauce, whatever that means. I don't know, dude. All misfires, different cylinders. What I did is when I ordered the blower motor for the AC, I just went ahead and ordered some NGK Iridium spark plugs that my tuner integrated engineering recommended. This specific one gapped at 26 thousandths. I ordered a set of those plugs, and I also just went ahead and ordered a set of coil packs, OEM coil packs, just to rule out anything as far as that goes on misfires. I'm just running some fuel injector cleaner. I picked up some BG44K also. That stuff is awesome, guys, for direct injection. Here we are. So that's it, guys. That's everything that's wrong with the car. We got the AC not working, that fan issue that was crazy every time I opened the door. That's been fixed. That was the auxiliary coolant pump. We got plugs, coils coming. That's coming in an upcoming video. We're gonna see if we can get rid of that misfire and go wide open throttle, at least through 4th or 5th gear. In the windshield, in the front bumper, paint not matching. That's it, that's it. That's really not that bad. Now, if I were to take this car to Audi and have them do all of that stuff, guys, it would have been like an easy $3,500. So I'm about, with parts, that, all the parts, everything, I'm probably gonna be like, what, $1,200 in? We'll say $1,300 in, plus I paid $12,700. So I'm sitting at about $14K right now after I get this front windshield replaced. And yeah, that bumper, I'm just, you guys gotta let me know. Do you think I should just paint match it and keep it like a sleeper, black and white kind of a thing, or wrap it? I don't know. I'm excited, but yeah, this is great news. For 14 grand, I have a super clean Audi that just runs, and it's just insanely quick. All right, boys, we're about to go get our 93 octane. I don't know if it's just Indiana, but are you guys dealing with 92 octane taking over 93 octane? Like, I know you guys on the West Coast are probably like, dude, what are you complaining about? We only get 91 octane, but 93 was everywhere here as a standard. And now I notice they're switching over to 92. Dude, that's always a cool feeling. I just got my cool car, bro. My first one. Proud of that. You know, it's always a good feeling when it's always a dude, you know, it's always a dude like, dude, that car's sick, bro, or that's whatever. But that's right, clean those direct fuel injectors. Of course, I'm gonna get you a little tunnel action with all the windows down. Okay, guys, so I've been jumping in on the forums, like on Audi Zine or whatever you call it. And is this true? I have the 2nd gen DSG, which is a good thing, but is it true, like, you wanna drive these in manual mode to help preserve them? I mean, it is like a manual automatic, as much as that makes sense. Is that like, do you guys drive in manual mode with the DSGs? I'm gonna drive in manual mode until you guys say something. I want this thing to last as long as possible, especially being DSG tuned. I think what I'm gonna do is go ahead and do the DSG service and order the filter just as a baseline. Mike said he did do it, but I still wanna do it, so. So I just want to test out this camera really quick, wide open, and hope you guys like the new intro. I love it. Shout out to Parker recommending someone on Fiverr. OMG, I couldn't find my way back in. That's gonna do it for this video, and until the next one, we'll catch you later. Peace.